Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. This is episode 2 of the Father's Day gift basket series. I'm going to be creating a Spider Man Father's Day gift basket. Actually, it's going to be a gift box. Okay, so let's get started. I have some Spider Man socks. I have some Spider Man briefs. I have a Spider Man wallet. I have a Spider Man Amazing Dad mug. I have the Spider Man Everyman Jack set. I have some Spider Man slippers. And I have some Spider Man sleep pants, which I've already put on a foam backer. I have a Spider Man bag clamp. I have a Spider Man sink strainer. I have a Spider Man oven mitt. And I also have a Spider Man pot holder. So, the reason I'm adding the Spider-Man pot holder and the oven mitt is because I don't have a kitchen type Spider-Man basket that I can make. So I'm like, why not? If the person loves Spider-Man, they would be happy with the oven mitt. And I don't know if they cook or not, but hey, they'll have an oven mitt and a sink strainer, and they'll be good to go. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to place the base for my Spider-Man basket or box down here on the table. And this might be a little sideways here. But I'm going to add, let's see. I'm going to add this Everyman Jack. I'm not sure if I wanted to take it out of the box or leave it in the box. So right now, I'm going to leave it in the box because this platform space is going to be kind of full. So it might be better off in the box. You can tell that it's a Spider-Man set, basically. So that shouldn't really be an issue. Okay, and then next, let's see. I'm just placing this here. And I'm going to tape it down after the fact because I have to kind of figure out what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take and place the pajama pants behind the Everyman Jack. Let me see if I can angle that off to the side a little bit. Then I'm going to take and place the Spider-Man Amazing Dad mug in front of the Everyman Jack, kind of holding everything up. Then I'm going to take and place the Spider-Man slippers next to the Everyman Jack until I put the base of the box up. Everything's kind of not going to be sturdy. So we'll kind of go with that. And then I'm going to add the Spider-Man underwear. So let's see how we're going to do this. Add them here in front of the slippers and slightly in front of the Everyman Jack. You can see that it's a size extra large. Might take that hook off. Just lean it here for a second. Okay, and then next I'm going to add the Spider-Man wallet. So replacement of the wallet, I'm going to turn it slightly towards me. And I'm going to place the wallet there. No, not really. Let's see. We'll place the wallet in the center. And then we'll kind of place the underwear off to the side. I think that works a little bit better. And then next I'm going to take the Spider-Man socks and I'm going to place them inside of one of the Hobby Lobby clear plastic boxes. Slide this over slightly. I know you can see it on an angle, but I'm going to turn it back in just a moment. I cut out a foam board and I'm going to place this inside of the socks so it fits, you know, right in the center of the box. So I placed the socks into the plastic box, and I'm going to place the plastic box right on top of the Everyman Jack. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to add a red loofah, and I'm going to add it right inside of the Spider-Man cup. Okay, so now I just need to put the sides of the box together, and then I will just tape this down. I'm going to pause this while I tape everything down. Now that I have everything taped down, I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to add the pot holder and the oven mitt. Just get this straightened out a little bit. So I'm going to take the oven mitt and I'm just going to place it here, and I'm going to secure it with a little bit of tape. Let's see. Well, maybe we might have to use some fishing wire, but tape should be good enough because it's not really that heavy. Just going to place it there and add some tape. And the tape does not bother the clothing. Doesn't leave any residue or stick to it. Now I still have this oven rack. I mean this I still have the sink strainer, and I'm just going to place it right here. And once again, I'm going to secure it with tape. So let's secure it here. And I just have this one piece left. It is the bag clip. And let's see where we want to put the bag clip. I actually just want to clip it to the side of the pants and the oven mitt. And there we go. It's all set. And there you have the, well, this is the back of the Spider-Man Father's Day gift basket. And I'm going to turn it around to the front. Let's move this back slightly. So we have the back. I'm going to turn it around to the front. And there we have the front of the Spider-Man Father's Day gift basket. And there we have the front of the Father's Day Spider-Man gift basket. And if I put the clear lid on it, you won't really be able to see it as well. So I think I'm going to end it here. And then I'm probably just going to do a short. And I'll add the plastic cover to the gift box. I'm going to add a red ribbon. And that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Father's Day gift baskets. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please continue to watch as I travel this Father's Day journey. Thanks for watching.